Hey everyone. I ended up actually winning a giveaway from boardzy, a very popular mouse reviewer on YouTube. I won a Twitter giveaway, so lucky me, I guess. I was one of 2 people picked out of 1,500 people to be sent his now sold out boardzy edition of the Pulsar X2 or something like that. I've never had a Pulsar mouse before, so this should be fun to open. Now, most of my unboxings nowadays are like ASMR, quiet unboxings where I don't talk. But for this one, it's a bit different and a bit special. So I feel like I'm going to give a bit of talking in during this because I think this is pretty cool. And also, a pretty nice title. Anyway, let's open this. Okay. And there it is. Alright, here it is. That's right, the Pulsar X2 limited edition. The boardzy stamp of approval and everything. This should be good. I got sent the size 2, which is pretty much just the medium side, and it adds like a nice zebra print. You've probably seen a lot of boardzy's videos and stuff. And I think there's only like 3,000 copies or something, so that's cool. So, let's open it. Alright. There it is. Damn. And we'll come back to mouse in a moment. Let's open everything else first. Now let's lift this thing up, and we have a little note thing here. And this has a nice little sticker. That's right. You just have a manual for the mouse. I believe there are 3,000 of these in total, by the way, and there's 1,500 of each size. If we open this up here, you can see the USB receiver. You pull this out, and you have the little dongle. Now we can actually look at that. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like this. I like this already. It feels very good. I've never had a Pulsar mouse before. You can see on the bottom here, you've got the boardzy stamp of approval. You've got some PTFE mouse skates. This weighs 56 grams. So a bit lighter than the Pulsar Haste for a little comparison there. It looks very clean. I see no problems at all with the build quality. I'm squeezing it as hard as I can. There's nothing. A teeny tiny bit on the bottom, that's to be expected when it's a bit more of an exoskeleton, it feels like. This is a pretty flat mouse. The whole way the hump isn't that big, but I kind of like it that way. The scroll wheel also feels very nice. And then for branding, there's just a little thing here that says Pulsar. I'll try this out for a few weeks, and then I will make a review on this. I hope you guys liked my first impressions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.